we're late. We have 60 seconds to get out of the house right now, but we still want to look cute. 5 products, 60 seconds. Let's go. Concealer. I'm gonna go under my eyes a little bit, and any problem areas that I want to cover. We're not using foundation today because we don't have time for that, so let's keep it moving. I like to let my concealer set for a couple of seconds, so while I'm doing that, I'm going to take my Natasha Denona palette and I'm gonna take this color. I don't know what it is anymore, but I love this palette. Okay, we're gonna use our fingers. Our fingers are our best tool. All right, simple, one sweep over the eye, just to add a little bit of sparkle, just to brighten us up today, to make it look like we're a little put together. All right, see here, this is all we need. Now that we have done our eye look, we are going to blend in our concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna take some Lancome mascara. Let's do a couple of coats of that. Blush or highlight. Luckily, we don't have to choose because we have both on this palette, but I'm only gonna use one brush. We're saving time. We're getting our makeup in. And look at that cute little glow. All right, and the final last step, we're gonna take the Fenty Beauty lip balm in Hint Hint, and we're gonna add some shine to our beautiful lips. And now we're ready to go out the door, all right? Whether we're going to the supermarket, Pilates, the gym, the bank, we are put together and we're ready to go. 60 seconds, 5 products. Thank you guys for watching.